If your high performing ads have stopped generating relevant leads, this video is for you. Hello folks, my name is Zaid and in this video I'll tell you exactly why your high performing Google and Meta ads are not performing so well anymore and what you can do to solve it. Let's start. Tell me if this sounds familiar. You run ads on Google and Meta, create new campaigns, and then these campaigns accrue amazing results for you. You reach a wide audience, get a large number of relevant leads that buy your product or service. You are happy, your sales team is happy, and your manager is patting you on the back. But the same campaign, after a month, starts to go down. Quality goes down, relevancy goes down, and let's not even talk about lead conversion. The sales team starts complaining. The leads are not good, we can't meet our targets. And now you're worried. You're optimizing the campaign again, putting in new keywords, changing the audience, but the results are still the same. Here's why that happens. Keyword and audience optimization alone won't help you generate better leads. Because when you set up an ad campaign on Google and Meta, they cover a huge chunk of people and not all of them are relevant to your business. That is why you still get leads, but most of them are irrelevant or don't convert. Not because the platforms that you're using are bad or that you're doing a bad job at running ads, but because your optimization is missing something very crucial, your lead information. If you were to say, analyze and filter out the relevant leads that you generate in your business and send that information to Google and Meta and tell them, this is a good lead and I want more of these. When you feed that data back, these platforms will know exactly what kind of audience works best for you. Then they'll create an ideal user persona and start showing ads to more people like them. As a result, the irrelevancy of the leads eventually goes down. You start generating quality leads again and the lead conversion rate is up. How do you send all this lead information to Meta? You can use what's called an API, Application Programming Interface. Now this might sound fancy, but all you need to know is that an API helps you transfer data between two platforms. If you're using Google Sheets or a CRM to manage your leads, you'll have to send all that lead information to Meta via third-party API providers like Zapier and Pabbly. Now these platforms work on a subscription-based model where you pay a monthly subscription fee. In return, they send all your lead information to Meta at regular intervals. The only drawback with these platforms is that this is an additional cost to whatever tool you're currently using. So for example, if you're using a CRM, you'll have to pay for a CRM and for this additional tool and then integrate that into the CRM to send lead information to Meta. But you don't have to worry about that. With TeleCRM, you won't have to subscribe to an additional tool. You can manage your entire sales process and connect with Meta from the exact same platform. Here's how it works. You generate leads from multiple platforms. All of them get captured automatically into TeleCRM's dashboard. From there, your team carries out the full sales process, qualifying leads, nurturing, follow-ups, calls, closures. Now, once the leads start converting, you simply use TeleCRM's filters to identify which lead types convert the best. And here's the key part. TeleCRM's conversion API feature automatically sends all the lead information back to Meta via an API call. So now Meta knows what kind of leads work best for your business and it starts showing ads to more people like them. If you're happy managing leads on Google Sheets, then going for a third-party platform like Pabbly or Zapier makes sense for you. But if you'd like to switch to a CRM or switch your CRM, then I'd recommend going for an all-in-one solution where you can manage both your sales and marketing processes without paying for two tools. Now, if you'd like to know how you can set this up with TeleCRM, all you have to do is click the link in the description and connect with our sales team. Until next time, bye-bye.